Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the scene, power down or disconnect the pencil, and lay out a soft cloth so parts don't roll away. Grip the existing tip with your fingers. If it's tight, use a gentle 1/4 turn counterclockwise to loosen. Be deliberate, too much force can damage the threads. Once the tip starts to move, continue slowly until it unscrews fully. Keep the removed tip for inspection. That helps you confirm wear, cross-threading, or debris before installing a replacement. Now inspect both the pencil threads and the new tip. Look for burrs, dust, or fibers, and use compressed air or a soft brush to clear debris. Align the tip squarely with the pencil's threads, then start threading it by hand. This prevents cross-threading. Turn clockwise until it seats. Finger tight is correct. If it feels loose, give it a single, controlled extra turn to ensure contact without over-torquing. Proper seating restores electrical contact and maintains nib alignment for accurate pressure and tilt sensing. Once the tip is installed, reconnect the pencil and test in an app. Draw lines at varied pressure and tilt, and use your palm to confirm rejection. If strokes feel scratchy or intermittent, turn off, remove the tip, clean threads, and reseat or try a fresh replacement tip. Sometimes new tips are defective. If issues persist, reset Bluetooth, restart the iPad, or pair with another iPad to isolate hardware. That process tells you whether the pencil, tip, or iPad is the remaining culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.